Hello everybody and welcome to a video. Today, well not actually today, but we will be opening this Lego Creator set. It comes with a typewriter with flowers growing out of it. What I guess is a pencil, a pencil holder with flowers coming out of it, a pen, and a piece of paper, and last but not least, a keyboard with some flowers. So yeah, this is a very floral one. So here's the deal. We will be opening this, and we will be building each one in order. Now here's the deal. There is a limited number of pieces, so we can only build one. We can only keep one. And now you guys get to decide which one we will keep after we are done. Okay? So yeah. So basically, here's how it's gonna work. We're gonna do one of these first, then we're gonna unbuild it. Then we're gonna build one of them second. Then we are going to unbuild that one. And last but not least, we are gonna be building one and keeping it. Okay? So now, here's the deal. In the description of this video, there is going to be a link to a poll. That poll, a voting poll, it is going to ask you which one we should build first. Not which one we are going to be keeping. Not which one we are going to be doing, only Basically, my point is that the voting poll is asking you which one you would like us to make first. And, hopefully that's gonna be the one you don't really care about, There will be another poll in a couple days that's gonna be this one is the one we want to keep. Okay? So I hope I explained this idea well enough. You will find the voting down below. Click on that. Just vote which one you want to keep done for now. Okay? And I will see you guys next time.